Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix incoming calls are not showing on screen but ringing in the phone. In order to fix this, first thing first, what you need to do is go to your settings. After that, go to apps and notification. Once you've done that, click on see all apps. After that, go ahead and type in phone. Right over here, it's going to direct you to the app info page. Over here, you need to check notification. So here you need to make sure that all phones notification is enabled. Make sure that these are all enabled, and only then you'll be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also clear cache and data. While you're on this page, go to storage and cache, click on clear cache. Now make sure not to tap on clear storage because this is gonna delete all of your data and history. After that, restart your device and that might be able to fix the issue. Now apart from that, if you have enabled do not disturb mode, then you'll not be able to receive a notification. So what you have to do is you need to disable that feature. For that, you need to scroll down, and as you can see, if you have enabled do not disturb feature, then toggle the switch and turn it off. This might be able to help your issue. Now after doing all of these procedure, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply go to your Play Store and then install Google Phone. So type in Google Phone. Now you'll need to install this particular application. So it is already installed. So click on the open button. If you see update, which means that the app needs to be updated, click on the update button and that might also be able to help you. Apart from that, what you can do is you can force stop your Google Phone. Long press on it, go to app info icon and click on force stop, which is right over here. After that, restart your device and that might be able to solve your issue. So in this way, you can fix your incoming calls are not showing on screen but phone is ringing issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.